This segment is called Tech Etiquette. Boris and I take your questions and we solve your problems in the difficult, confusing world that is what to do in the world of tech.
I have a question from David, and it's a great question. I have a drug dealer. I have his phone number in my address book, but I don't know what to call him. So how do you add it to your address book that it's clear that it's your drug dealer, easy to find? You're not gonna put like first name drug, second name dealer, right? So what do you do?
David, thanks for asking. I sure would like your guy's number, David. That'd be really handy. Boris, how do you have your drug dealer in your phone?
I'm thinking the chances of anyone ever going through your phone and going like, wait a minute, you have a drug dealer in your phone are slim. So you might as well go all out and call them cocaine, ecstasy, and LSD dealer. It doesn't matter.
I knew a guy whose name was Pep Rosenfeld, and he had a drug dealer, and his thing was, so you would send him a text and he would call you back. Text had to say Beercha. I think if the police found his phone, they couldn't really prove anything. I mean, the number says Beercha. That's how he did it. This fictional character named Pep Rosenfeld.
All right, problem solved.